Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. I think it's like overnight shipping also. So hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we got something good, guys. These are amazing, coming from Lenovo Smart Wireless Earbuds, Adaptive Noise Canceling Wireless Earbuds. It works with Google Assistant, 20-hour charge, ANC. Got the app. There's an app to download. It's on the instructions how to download it, but it's simple. Just got to type in Lenovo Smart Wearable and then install. So you get 6 microphones that are inside these headphones or earbuds. But truly amazing stuff right here, guys. And Lenovo makes really good computer stuff, so you might want to see what other goodies they have to offer. Like I said, I already opened it because I wanted to mess around with it, install the app and everything. Comes with the replacement buds. And here's a little case, guys. Compact, easy to carry. Take you with you anywhere. Oh, I got disconnected, but I'll show you guys in a second with the app. And USB goes there to charge. Comes with the USB cable right here. It's got to plug that into a USB port and then charge it up. But it's got some juice now, so we should be good to go. Like I said, I already started listening to a few songs. Amazing clarity. You could use multiple devices like your phone and Chromebook or anything else like that combo mix. You can use 2 devices at once, which is really cool, especially if you're streaming or doing like a Zoom call type thing, conference. You're gonna want that feature. So, but these are really nice, comfortable around the ears. 6 built-in mics, already said. 28 hours of playtime. Active noise canceling. Smart switch. Fast pair, which is true. It connected really fast. As soon as I flipped this thing open, this popped up. So, I mean, super fast. Let's take a look inside. Bada boom. Look at these things. Amazing, amazing. I will tell you guys, you will not be disappointed with these at all. Especially how compact it is. And look at these. Nice silver and black. And then now we got the app. Look here to add. Got it. Connect. There we go. So that's why I'm using 2 phones right now. You could do extra bass, Foco, ANC. I could adjust automatically noise cancellation levels to fit your surrounding environment. That's crazy. Voice activated assistant, touch control, upgrades, updates, and all that good stuff. It was kind of hard to hear what they sound like, especially with earbuds. You just gotta have to take my word for it. You're gonna definitely appreciate these. Voco. I mean, I could do pretty much. That's not good. YouTube copyrighted. I might have to turn it down for a second because of the ads. Where is our famous one? Not background. YouTube. Where's 126 Clan? Oh man, it's been a long day, guys. So bear with me. We'll be all right. Shoot. I gotta turn that down. But like I said, hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. And if you like this item, add it to your cart. And we'll switch back. That's kind of hard too. I'll do extra bass. ambient. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's kind of hard to hear these. But these sound really nice, guys. You guys will not be disappointed. One touch. You just got to hit this. You like to pause and play. And then pretty much that's it, though. Really nice earbuds, wireless, smart, coming from Lenovo. And like I said, you got the smart app. You could do pretty much everything now. And then extra bass. And in case you lose your earbuds, bam. Hopefully that's not copyrighted. That'd be crazy. But yeah, look at that. So it shows the battery level, 100%. Great stuff, guys. Check them out. The Amazon affiliate link will be down below, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart. Oh, one more thing. Say if you have one of those wireless pads, you could charge it with this. And I'll show you. I'll hop over to my computer right now because that's where that's at. And here we go. Put that thing right there. Look at that. It is charging on its own. Pretty magic. So if you don't have a cord, got one of these guys, any NFC pad type deal, bada boom. And that's it, guys. Have a good night. Be safe, and see you soon. See ya.